welcome to BSC BioNest Bio Incubator, a leading bio incubator located in the National Capital Region on Gurugram Faridabad Expressway, with a mission to stimulate the establishment and growth of biotechnology-based startup companies and to translate their research findings and ideas into viable commercial entities.
Bioincubator at RCB has been established to support research and innovation in the area of biotechnology. We provide enabling environment to young entrepreneurs to convert their ideas into an enterprise.
It is funded by BIRAC, managed and operated by Regional Center for Biotechnology, which itself is an institute of national importance under auspices of UNESCO. It is an institution of education, training and research with a strong focus on capacity building. BBB provides excellent incubation facility and infrastructure spread across 35,000 square feet. The covered area of BBB includes lab spaces, office spaces, professional business suites, culture facility and instrumentation facilities.
BBB started its operations in November 2018 with an aim to support and nurture the innovators in the healthcare sector. This state-of-the-art facility provides all critical services which are required to support an innovator to move on a fast track to success.
The incubator provides globally competitive and superior incubation services to young startups and innovators and helps them to become successful enterprise. BBB can accommodate around 35 young startups in its facility.
RCB has given us the platform to establish ourselves with all the required facilities.
This facility will be very useful to all the startups for implementing their innovative ideas.
For very young startups, BBB provides shared wet lab benches, which are economical and provides them a workstation as well. On the other hand, independent lab cubicles are available for innovators who need bigger lab and office spaces. Apart from this, independent business suites are also available at a very affordable cost. BBB also has an in-house central instrument facility. This is a state-of-the-art equipment facility and caters the need of young entrepreneurs and innovators. Young entrepreneurs at BBB can also avail the facility of spacious and well-equipped meeting rooms to conduct discussions and business meetings, which are very much a part of the premises. An advanced technology platform center is also a part of the facility. This center is equipped with cutting-edge technologies to conduct experiments that will provide deep insight in biological processes and provide the best opportunity to translate these discoveries for commercialization. Various facilities such as flow cytometry, mass spectrometry, optical microscopy, electron microscopy, genomics, molecular interactions and protein purification are available at ATPC. BBB is operated and managed by seasoned and skilled professionals with rich corporate experience. The team acts as a support system for all startups at various stages of their development. Some young entrepreneurs have already started their journey at BBB and their experience has been encouraging.
BBB has a state-of-art facilities, expert mentorship.
The lab space as well as the support staff is very good.
Highly subsidized resources they offer for new startups such as ourselves.
We came here for the new ideas and start working here.
BBB invites all young startups and innovators to come forward and experience the unique startup ecosystem of the facility. We hope our efforts will surely help in converting their dreams into reality.